hear Ryan's dumbass keyboard, right? You can
Yes,
hear
I can hear Ryan's gigantic driveway-sized mechanical
fucking
keyboard.
typewriter.
Typewriter.
Ryan, you take literally just take 2 steps in a game. All you hear is.
Whoa!
Am I wrong?
No,
What the
Yeah, you're damn right I'm not wrong.
What the fuck was
What the? What the fuck?
that? Nah!
This is the culprit. This nigga right here.